Hello, dear. This is day 26. A warm, sunny day. As you can see, the bright sunlight glowing over my face, and I am back on my farm. Let me show you a tree we are having at our farm boundary. It is known as acacia tree. From the roots to its leaves, it is all totally very useful and important in many kind of medicinal use and treatment. It is used in more than 100 types of diseases to cure them. Its sap is or gum, which it extract is used in high nutritional foods. Its leaves are also used in many antitoxic agents. It is second high antitoxic agent than after name. It also provides a good amount of oxygen and keeps our environment clean.